welcome back to my channel. I'm Amy and today I'm going to be doing a spring decorate with me. So in my last video I did an ultimate clean with me and I cleaned our entire house and I was getting ready to decorate for spring. So today I'm going to take you guys along and show you all the new stuff that I picked out and that I am putting in my house for spring decor. I don't usually decorate for Easter because it's kind of like Valentine's Day. I feel like once I put this stuff up, I kind of have to take it down. So I'm just doing a bunch of spring colors and things like that I can leave up all during spring until it is summer. And a lot of the stuff I might even be able to leave up for summer. We'll see. So anyways, I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe because I would love to have you as part of my YouTube family. All right, let's get into the decorating. All right, so the first thing I'm going to show you is my new wreath, and I actually got this from Kirkland's. I went to Home Goods and Hobby Lobby and Walmart, and then I ended up going to Kirkland's after not being able to find a wreath that I absolutely loved. And so when I got to Kirkland's, it was actually hard because I had two different wreaths that I loved so much. I literally stood there for like 15 minutes before I finally decided on this one. So I also got to use a 20% off coupon, so definitely go check out Kirkland's if you are looking for a wreath for spring. All right, and then here I am about to change the pillows and stuff on the furniture on our front porch. And all of those pillows that I'm taking down, I've had them up since fall, and they were all actually from Amazon. But the new pillows that I got them all from Walmart. All of these that you're gonna see here. The two blue ones right here were actually $8, and then the other blue one that I'm about to show you was, I think it was $5, but I got them all at Walmart, and I actually want to go back and pick up another one like this one to go in the other chair. All right, for right now, I'm just gonna keep it simple with these little fake flowers on the front porch by my rocking chairs. I do plan to go get some real flowers and more greenery to go on our front porch, but I'm gonna kind of wait till it gets a lot warmer so that I don't kill our plants. And this particular little piece was also from Kirkland's, and I think it was like $7.99, which was a great deal, especially compared to all of the fake flowers at Hobby Lobby that I'm seeing right now. So I definitely had to pick this one up. All right, now I am moving on to the back porch, and I am changing out the pillows out here as well. And then all of the pillows that I'm putting out were also from Walmart. I got them all in the garden section, and these were all $5 each. And then I got a little plant that was also from Kirkland's. I think I picked up like 3 or 4 different little plants from Kirkland's because they were all a really good deal. All right, and now we are moving inside, and I'm actually going to take off the pillows on these couches as well. These pillows have been on my couch since we moved in. I haven't changed out the pillows inside at all. So I'm going to put some new pillows that I got, and these pink pillows, they're like a blush pink, are from Home Goods, and they are so soft. Gracie June is in love with these, and she has been cuddling on the couch with them every night. And then these gray and white checkered pillows are from Hobby Lobby. All right, and then these last two pillows that I'm putting out are from Kirkland's, and they were on sale as well. And I just loved how they were just a little bit lighter than the other pink pillows, and I thought that it just kind of changed it up a little bit in the living room. And this little vase of flowers was also from Kirkland's. All right, and then on our mantle, I had this little picture frame that I knew I wanted to put my kids' Easter Bunny picture in from last year, but it was a 5x7, so I ended up taking a 5x7 envelope and taping our 4x6 picture onto the front of the envelope, and then using the envelope as a backing so that it still fit into the frame. So that's kind of a little tip if your pictures are too small and you do have some 5x7 envelopes lying around. So I just stuck it back in the frame. I thought it was super cute for Easter and just stuck it back up on the shelf. And I actually got this frame from Hobby Lobby a few years ago, so I doubt that they still have it, but that's where it's from in case you're wondering. All right, and then the last place that I'm going to be decorating is our entryway on our table. And I just moved our moss ball and candle over to the bookshelf and placed it somewhere over there. And then I took the stuff that we already had on the table and just kind of moved it around a little bit and tried to make the new decor work so that it wasn't so cluttered. And I got the rabbit from Target Dollar Spot. The bird cage and the little flowers here are both from Walmart. I think they were $2 each. And I do want to find some type of greenery or something to put in the rabbit. I may end up moving this. I'm not completely happy with it, but I think it works for now. All right, that is all the decorations that I got for spring. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all on the next one. Bye, guys.